What's up? It's your boy J Hank. It's a music here. And today in this video, we got another thing to unbox. I ordered the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And yeah, let's give them a peek. Okay, let's go. This time I got something in the bag, which is, you know, different. Let's give it a... Alright. Yep, there it is. AirPods Pro 2s. So, these have the MagSafe charging case, and that's really all it says on the box. And as you know, Apple has done away with the plastic wrap, so they just have these paper tabs that you just pull. And that's it. So, let's... Is it not focusing? Sorry. Good cough. Yeah, back. Designed by Apple in California. You know, normal booklets and all that. And let's get to the earbuds in a second. Here's, you know, the normal thing. Right here, we have the 3 different sizes of ear tips, because they used to only give you 3 sizes, because on the earbuds they have the mediums. But this time they give you the, oh, that's upside down. They have the extra small, small, and large, which is, you know, that's pretty good. Because, I mean, a lot of people have smaller ears, and that's, you know, a big bonus to them. And we have a USB-C to Lightning cord, as always. So I'll stick that back in there, because I really don't currently need it. And I really don't need this either. So I'm just going to stick both of them right back in. Put that in, however that goes. But, yeah, that doesn't matter. Jeez, these are a lot heavier than the old generation. So, let's get the stupid plastic off. And here they are. So, from first instinct, they don't look too different, but you turn it, and you got a lanyard loop, which you can, like, you know, stick it to your bag or whatever. And on the bottom, we have the speaker grills, so in case you lose them, it's cool. It actually, cool thing is if you plug them in, take a listen. Just like a little chime sound, which is cool. And it does that when you have them on a wireless charging pad, which I will show you right now. Never mind, because I don't have a micro... No, I don't. Yeah, I don't have a micro USB cord on me, so never mind that. Anyway, let's open up the earbuds and see what they look like. No different than the currents. Well, I mean, a little bit different. I mean, the sensors on the top are a little bit different, but I mean, you know, that's to be expected. Oh, listen to that. Speaker inside the case when you just open it. That's pretty sick. Yep, designed by Apple in California, made in China. And, yeah, let's give them a listen, why don't we? So, here they are. Let's slap them in and see how everything works. So, currently they are in, I'm guessing, normal or just off, because, I don't know. Okay, that's, oh, holy crap, that's... Yeah, I'd say that's definitely improved over the last generation. I can hear my voice nice and clearly. You know, it sounds a little bit weird, but, I mean, it's what you expect. All right, let's go into noise cancellation. Okay. Noise cancellation. Well, I mean, I can't really do much of a test on them because I'm not really outside. So, yeah. So at some point I'm going to do a second part where I review the transparency and all that, because this one's just an unboxing of them because, you know, I just wanted to get these out and use them as quick as possible. So, yeah, that's that. But now I'm going to find my old ones. This is definitely not the old ones. And I want to compare them a little bit. Aha, here they are. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so here's the two. new, old. As you can see, the case design isn't really changed much, because, I mean, why... I have no idea what that sound is, but why mess with perfection if it's already perfect? So, as you can see, the differences, the bottom is, what's that noise? Jeez, my fan is going ballistic. But, you know, on this side is exactly the same. This side is different because this one has the lanyard loop. The bottom has the speaker grills. And then opening them up, you can see a small difference. The tops of them are, you know, they're a little bit different. Yeah, so as you can see, they're a little bit different from the earbuds. Let me take out two. Just slap them on the table. As you can see with these, the ear thing on the side looks more, well, no, looks different actually. Never mind. I was going to say it looks a lot more like the 3rd gen AirPods 2. No, the 3rd gen AirPods normals or whatever. This side, practically zero difference. Well, other than the little thing at the top. That looks more like the new earbuds, because as you can see, these ones have the little sensor at the top right there. So that's that. But on the bottom, basically the same. On the inside of the thing, let's check it. Oh, wow, that's actually... Oh, wow, that's a little too hard to take off. And let's see. Well, looks about the same, I'd say. Nothing really too different. But mostly of everything is internal with them. Because, you know, new stuff, new everything inside of them. Just put the ear tips back on. And with Apple is claiming that these have up to 30 hours of battery life with the case and 6 hours just, you know, of playtime, which is cool because, I mean, the old AirPods probably gave you about 4.5 hours with noise cancellation and 5 with it, noise cancellation, spatial audio, or transparency on. But, I mean, it wasn't the best. But then when Apple came out with the 3rd generation, it brought up the battery life. It gave the bass, like they made the bass a lot more pronounced with them. So you can definitely hear the, just like the kick drums and all that. Because, you know, hello? Why are you speaking to me, earbuds? I didn't open your case. But, yeah, I mean, then we have, that's definitely not them. Yeah, I don't have any more pairs of the original AirPods, because the last ones I gave to a friend because they lost theirs on somewhere, so I gave them my old 2nd generations. But I mean, yeah, the main focus here is the new Pros. So now I'm going to test the audio with them and I'll let you know how they sound. So I just got done listening to them and they sound really dang good. So compared to the old ones, they definitely do, as they said, have much better bass to them, because I listen to them both back and forth just as you know, just a benchmark, because, you know, because I listen to the same song with both earbuds, and the new ones definitely sound a lot better. But my only complaint is like on the top of the earbuds, like these new sensors, it's like they feel weird and rough. I don't know what it is about them. It just feels a little weird. But, you know, I mean, that's what you can expect with them. Because, I mean, they're the same price as the old ones. So, you know, get used to it, I say. And let's see. Okay, I'm sorry. Some of my friends sent me a message. He wants me to check out his video. But, yeah, I mean, I think that's this video, guys. Because, I mean, you know, I unboxed them. Here's the box right here. And, yeah, if you guys like this video, definitely let me know down below what you guys want to see me, you know, open up next time so I can do a review of a product. I think this is going to be the last, like, tech unboxing of something quote-unquote expensive because, you know, I'm trying to save a little bit of money. So for my next few videos, I don't know when those are, is probably going to be reactions, or I'm going to try and upload another part to Minecraft at some point soon, but that's not a guarantee because the internet on my phone only gives me a certain amount of leeway with it, so that's annoying, but, you know, I do what I gotta do. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright? Peace.